Hey there, idea junkies. Welcome to Ideaplex, your go-to channel for creative inspiration and innovative ideas. Ever dreamed of turning your wildest ideas into stunning visuals? Well, dream no more. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of Pika Art, a platform that's about to redefine your video creation game. And I'm stoked to show you how to unleash your inner filmmaker. So grab your popcorn, get comfy, and let's embark on this creative journey together. Pika is an innovative platform that lets you create stunning videos from text, images, or existing video footage. Imagine having a magical paintbrush that can turn your thoughts into moving pictures. That's basically it. It's a platform that lets you create videos from scratch, edit existing ones, and even bring your wildest imaginations to life. And watch as Pika's AI transforms it into a stunning video right before your eyes. Pika.art's AI works its magic by analyzing your input, understanding the context, and generating a unique video based on your vision. It's like having a professional video editor at your fingertips without the need for any technical skills or expensive equipment. Pika.art gives you the flexibility to customize your video by adding text, changing the color palette, or even adjusting the speed. The possibilities are endless. Pika.art's Modify Region feature is a game changer in video editing. It leverages advanced artificial intelligence to understand and implement user commands into visual content. Simply describe the changes you want to see in a specific region of your video and let Pika.art seamlessly integrate those changes into the frame. Pika.art offers options to expand your video canvas, giving you more room for creativity. This feature allows you to explore different dimensions and aspect ratios, providing additional creative possibilities for your videos. Pika.art is a versatile and powerful platform that empowers creators of all levels to bring their ideas to life. With its intuitive interface and innovative features like Modify Region, upscaling, and customization options, Pika.art is revolutionizing the way we create and edit videos. First things first, head over to Pika.art and sign up for an account. The interface is super intuitive, so you'll feel right at home in no time. Let's start a new project and see what Pika can do. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by a world of possibilities. Now, let's create something awesome. Pika Art offers a ton of cool features. Let's begin with the text to video feature. Here you simply type in your script and Pika's AI will analyze the text to create visuals that match the narrative. For instance, I'm going to type "a robot learns to love a plant, watch this." In just a few moments, Pika generates a breathtaking video clip that brings our vision to life. You can tweak the visuals, add your own images, or let Pika's AI handle everything for you. Now that you have your masterpiece, it's time to share it with the world. Pika.art allows you to easily export your video in various formats, making it compatible with popular platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. Get ready to wow your audience with your creativity. Next up, let's try another one, a world where animals can talk. Pika offers a suite of editing tools that put you in the director's chair, modify specific regions of your video, add sound effects for that extra punch, or expand the canvas to give your scene more depth. It's like having a Hollywood studio at your fingertips. Once you're happy with your creation, it's time to export. Pika supports various formats and resolutions, so you can share your video on any platform, from social media to high-definition displays. Pika is truly a revolutionary tool for anyone looking to elevate their video content. Whether you're a vlogger, marketer, educator, or just someone who loves creating videos, Pika's AI-driven platform can turn your ideas into visual masterpieces with ease. Alright creators, let's talk pricing. Pika Art offers a few different pricing plans to suit your creative needs. Free plan, a great way to get started with 250 initial credits and daily refills up to 30 credits. Basic plan for $8 a month, get 700 monthly credits and additional features like downloading videos and lip sync. Standard plan at $28 a month, enjoy 2000 monthly credits, upscale resolution and no watermarks. Unlimited plan for $58 a month, access unlimited chill generations and all advanced features without restrictions. Pro plan for $120 a month, get unlimited lightning generations, early access to new features and commercial use terms. With these options, you can find a plan that fits your creative needs and budget perfectly. You can access Pika Labs through their website or Discord server. The Discord server is where you'll interact with the AI and generate your videos. If you're using the Discord method, join the Pika Labs Discord server. You'll find instructions and guidelines there. Once you're in the Discord server, create a private channel to interact with the Pika bot. This ensures privacy for your prompts and generated videos. Most servers have a set of rules you need to follow. Make sure to read and acknowledge them to ensure a smooth experience. Introduce yourself, explore the channels, and start participating in discussions to get the most out of the Pika Labs community. Joining the Discord server will allow you to interact with other users, get support, share your creations, and stay updated with the latest features and announcements from Pika Labs. Thank you for joining us today on Ideaplex. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tutorials and creative inspiration. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating, and keep pushing the boundaries of your imagination. This is Ideaplex signing off.